What's going on, everybody? Troy here, Troy's Hobbies. Quick video. Just received this. This is a Ulanzi. They call it the super clamp mount RO94. We're going to go ahead and clamp it on my little scooter here. Excuse the background noise. Neighbors is having a roof put on. Put this on and see if it moves around. It's pretty much all metal, which is good. Let's get to it. So what do you get in it? I'm using my GoPro, my second GoPro. It doesn't have the mic mod on, so hopefully you guys can hear me. So this model comes with a GoPro mount. There's another model that comes with the camera mount, so if you want to use your phone. Check this out, all metal, folks. So it's a clamp style, all metal. So so if you're using it, you want to hook up a camera, regular, I forgot what size it is, regular camera. You can just use that, but here's the mount for the GoPro. That's it, let's get to it. All right, there it is. See, it's adjustable. So I don't know, I should have that facing me like that. I'm not sure. No, like that, because it needs to go like that. So I can turn the camera around, face me, or face it the other way. But yeah, it's just a clamp style. Hopefully it doesn't get in the way of the, well, I can make adjustments. It looks like I can move it over here for some reason. So if I want the camera further out, yeah, I might have to do that, because I think I want this. I'm not sure if I want that facing me or not. Or I can just flip it around. Let's flip it around. Seems much easier. So I just flipped it around the other way. There is a little screw there. You got to unscrew to take it out. But for some reason, there's no screw on this side. So I don't know what's that all about. But yeah. So if you just want to connect this a regular camera, leave it like that, or put this on, and it does come with a little bolt or whatever adapter. I'm just using it for the connection for my my handheld right now. But we're going to switch over. Let's get on the road. We're going to start out on gravel road, see how bumpy it is, and then transition over to asphalt. We're on gravel right now. Now I'm going to flip it around. Doesn't seem to be moving. Hopefully you can hear me. There, I hit a pothole on purpose. All right, let's go ahead and flip this around so you guys can see what I'm looking at. Curious as to what the 18 miles per hour. Looks good on my end. I don't know if you can hear me. Take the dirt road, see if it's bumpy. Hopefully there's no rattlesnakes. It's like 80 degrees. Very nice. I could take this. This is where I like to go swimming, so I could take this with me instead of taking the vehicle and getting it all dirty and dusty. Take this and we can go over here swimming. Caroma P5 on sand, not bad. So we usually park over here and then go down the little slope here and go we go swimming over here. It's just a little bit rocky, but it's much nicer over here where the ferry, over here, the ferry, this is the south side of the Sandpoil ferry over there. There's no not a lot of rocks over there, so we'd like to swim. And that is Keller Ferry campground, where all the people are at. We like to be by ourselves. Well done, Caroma. Caroma P5. Any links down below? I'll have my phone link, or I'll have Amazon affiliate links below. And if you use any of them, I get a little kickback commission to help my channel grow, so I can buy more products to do more reviews. So I appreciate it. So you'll find that this Ulanzi mount, my phone mount, which I love, and the Caroma P5, and they got smaller models that cost less, but I think P5 is the top of the line for them, for the sitting e-scooter. But yeah, check it out. I appreciate it. There's rattlesnake tracks right there. Here's the ferry. Let's go ahead and head back. We could head over to the park, see if it's busy or not. This is Lake Roosevelt, Keller Ferry. Let's check it out before I head back to the house and edit this video and get it on YouTube. We'll check out the seasonal store, which is off to the left. This is the Columbia Crossing store. Little bit of jiggle there, more the handlebar. Let me make an adjustment. There we go. How about that? Crank it down. Okay, let's take a cruise around the campsites on my electric hog. This is the boat launch, and I think the person that surveys the fish is here. I see them parked in the shade over there. It's a beautiful day. got up to the campground. Check it out. I bought another same moped, P5. It's arriving Monday, but it's in gray, so my wife can use it, or family, or my son when he comes to visit from college. We'll take a cruise around the campground. That's the camp post. Sure is nice having electric. There's no rumbling sound. You can hear everything. I think I am going to buy a cushion for the seat for my big bum. For long trips or long cruises, it's not too comfortable. Head back. So we'll cruise down here to a private lease, trailer lease. He's out doing, farmers are busy right now. This is the Keller Estates private park. You can stop by, say hi. They're working hard. Quiet today, quiet. I haven't been down here since they first put this in. All right, nothing going on. It's a quiet day, which is good. Well, that's it, folks. I'm gonna end this video here. So I haven't really seen, unless the entire steering wheel jiggled. But yeah, let me know in the comments, what do you think? I'll have links down below. Once again, you use them, I get a little kickback to help my channel grow, so I can do more product reviews. See you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.